Hello, beautiful people, lovers of good things, lovers of goodwill all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always supporting this platform. I really do appreciate. In case you are hearing our voice for the first time, or you are coming across us for the first time, we still remain your one and only Progress News, giving it to you back to back. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and
I have to appear on social media always. Some people, before that, some people have gone to uh, critics news platform and some other Biafra media platform to complain that, excuse me, who is that? Hi, you there? I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm very sorry for the distraction. Um, some people, I listen to some of the people who complain of my constant appearance on social media, uh, and some people, and some of them have also written us to complain that I'm not supposed to be coming out live to talk to our people. And it's not that I'm being stubborn or whatever, but everything has reasons. Everything has reasons. I'm not a masculine, and I don't run my leadership like a faceless human. I'm not a faceless leader. Everybody knows me. I'm the leader of BLL, and of course, we're not terrorists, even though they pretend to uh, uh, see us as terrorists. Of course, we know that there's a difference between us and Boko Haram and uh, ISWAP and the Fulani jihadists. Of course, those are terrorists in Nigeria. We are freedom fighters. So you can't expect me to hide my face all the time. I don't know. The same you will still come out and say, "Oh, this guy is not serious." You know, I don't know if you will take me serious if I begin to hide. Understand? So, and it's there's some situations that call for uh, uh, clearance, response. Let me put it that way. I can be accused of something tomorrow, and I have to come out here to clear myself. I have to come out here to clear our group. Understand? So you can't expect me as a shop. I shouldn't come out on social media. I shouldn't come out on social. Oh, some people have been messaging me. What, Prince, why are you coming out on social media to talk? Why? Why would I come out? I'm not a militant leader. You understand? ENL is a freedom fighting group. Even if some of the media try to twist to address us as a militant or whatever, we are freedom fighters. I haven't been. They haven't seen me anywhere with guns. They haven't seen me anywhere in the midst of a militant. So there's no whatsoever evidence to accuse me of or to prosecute me over a crime I know nothing about. Understand? We are freedom fighters. We are freedom fighters. And even though that some of us also believe in a barrier of gun, we are still all freedom fighters. Understand? We are not Fulani Hasman. We are not Boko Haram. We are not ISWAP or whatever. These are groups with evil agenda. Our own cause is genuine. Our own struggle is genuine. We fight for the freedom of our people. We fight for the freedom of our people. So it's not a crime that I should come out to speak to our people, to address our people. You understand? I've been doing that because maybe some of you have not been following, but because that I'm not constant, uh, I wasn't doing it constant. I wasn't doing it constantly. So I don't think there's any cause for alarm. I don't think there's any cause for alarm. Um, I think that is that. So I cannot stop coming out to speak to our people. Nobody can shut my mouth. Nobody can shut my mouth. And of course, we know that some of you mean well for us, mean well for me, and your advice are noted. But you have to understand that uh, my, so you have to understand that my details are already with the Nigerian government. My details are with the DSS because I've been arrested 3 times. Three times. So they have my details. They have my details. They know where I came from. They know my community, my town. They know. They know. So there's no point for me to come and start hiding my face or put on mask. Understand? When I was arrested in 2012 in Enugu, they collected my, they had my details. When I was arrested in Makassi Peninsula in 2016, they had my, I filled the form that they gave me. My details are there. They captured me, they went to my bank details, the information I gave them was correct. In 2018, to the same thing with the police. So I don't think I am that person that uh, should be hiding because they know me. They know that I have not committed any crime. I've not committed any crime. Fighting for Biafra is not a crime. And you cannot directly accuse me of any misfortune at the border towns, any misfortune at the Makassi Peninsula. Of course, they are our grief members. Whenever the people are aggrieved, they react. They react. So, even though, sorry, I'm having a network challenge. Um, so, anything our boys out of uh, anger, any action they take in Bakassi, I always justify it. I always justify it because that is the language Nigerian government understand. That is the language they understand. So uh, I think I've said it all on that part. I'll be coming up time to time. There's anything reasonable I have to say. I come out and talk and address our people. You understand? I come out and address our people. Nobody can shut nobody can shut my mouth, you know. Uh, sorry. Nobody can shut my mouth. So in case some of you want to talk to us, want to talk to me, ask a question or whatever, please I just posted I want to post the link. So you can just call, interact with me uh, briefly. And please, the person calling on WhatsApp, I don't receive WhatsApp. I don't receive WhatsApp call. Uh, I didn't say go to our page number to dial our number. No. Okay. I think I posted the link. Yeah. All right. So the link is there in case you have any uh, questions or anything you want to say. And of course, we are fully on ground. And I know for the past 2 weeks, thereabout, you have not heard from us. You've not had any reports uh, from us, apart from I think there's a report I'm seeing was yesterday. I saw yesterday that the enemy uh, the enemy forces invaded the former barracks of the Black Marine Force. And of course, they missed their target. I think that's the only report we are seeing in our region, at the peninsula. And of course, these things are mere threats. We have not come up for the past 2 weeks. We are making preparing our gangs. And it's not something that we should be, you know, we don't rush into things. So people who are saying, oh, we haven't had fun, we haven't had fun, we are silent for some time. I say, yes, we have to be silent. When you are silent, the enemy will not know your plan. So we are silently preparing our gun. Understand? We are silently preparing our gun. And of course, we are going to take full control of the Gulf of Guinea, of our own portion of the Gulf of Guinea. We are going to take full control. Remember, I came in here the last time. I was the last time of previous broadcast I made here. I said that we are going to ban every vessel. We are going to ban foreign vessel, international vessel from entering Nigeria, through the Bakassi Peninsula. We can allow, they can pass through Lagos or whatever, we don't care. But coming to our route, I gave a point. I think I said two things. Coming to our route, we intercept them to know what they are coming with. Are they coming to supply Nigeria food? Are they coming to supply Nigeria weapons? Are they coming to take our oil? We're going to intercept them and know what they're coming from. And of course, uh, if we must even allow any vessel, they must put our flag as soon as they're entering. As soon as they're entering the peninsula, welcome to that place. As soon as they're entering Idabato, because I know the route is Idabato to the beach. As soon as they're passing through that route, entering, they must pin our flag. That's the way. Or that if they don't, that is the first number one offense. They'll be charged for number one offense. They must pin our flag before we intercept to self-defense volunteers. For our boys to intercept to know what we are coming to do, what we are carrying, what you are carrying. Understand? So it's not. I think we are preparing and we are going to make sure that the we are fully in charge of our waterways. Of course, BNL boys are defiant. They are defiant. Everybody is gallant. Everybody is gallant, prepared, not waiting for go ahead. Understand? So they will know the difference between cold water and hot water. And of course, all the other towns from from uh, Ekok, Ikok, down, to Bakassi. We will seize those areas. So even the river states, you can see our boys also in the river state are warming up. Our boys in Delta state are warming up. And I will soon be in Delta state to ginger our boys in Delta state. So we're taking our time. We're taking our time. There's no going back. There's no going back. So please, I don't know who is calling. As I will not take WhatsApp call. I think after the broadcast, you can call the admin will respond to you. The admin will respond when I'm doing live. Thank you. So we have to remain focused. We have to remain focused. There are more challenges ahead. You know that, and it's not easy. There's nothing. Independency doesn't come on a platter of food. That's the truth. Independency doesn't come on a platter. We can't get Biafra on a platter of food, whether we like it or not. We must fight for it. We must fight for it. So it's not by making issuing empty threats. That is why I don't usually make threats. Unless when you find my statement threatening, a threat to you, I don't usually make threats. We believe in what we can do. Let our actions speak. Let our activities speak. I won't come and make we'll do this, we'll do that. No. Okay. So we know that we cannot get freedom on a platter of goods. I mean, it's not more case. It's not drinking more drinking pap and akara. No. It's something we must put our strength, increase our pressure to get it. Take it. If we wait, the after will not be given to us. If we wait, we must take it. And we must take it by any means possible. By any means possible. That is it. That's why I cannot condemn those that have chosen the other way. They have chosen big arms. The name of the struggle, I cannot condemn them because by any means possible. In our own territory, in our own side, we call it self-defense. Self-defense movement. We don't call it arms or whatever. It is self-defense movement. That is why our self-defense volunteers are waxing. In fact, they are capable of the task ahead. They are capable of the task ahead. So there is no shaking at all. There is no shaking. There is no shaking. Yes, we find ourselves under on this contraction called Nigeria, but that will be the reason why I should be hiding like cockroach. To be hiding like cockroach. They want to. They feel I have committed an offense. Well, we'll see how it goes. I know that there's no freedom fighter who have ever achieved. No freedom fighter have ever achieved his or her aim without facing challenges. Without facing challenges. That is just it. And that is the truth. So on our own side, we are ready to face any challenge. Of course, I'm also careful personally, uh, as many of us have advising. But of course, there's a level it will get to that I cannot even hold our voice because of the grievances. The government haven't done well. The useless government. It's not even the government. I don't know what to call them. I don't know the name. I will describe them. Describe them. So for me to come and start begging about telling them to calm down, I will not. I will not because they can never change. They can never change. They can never do the right thing. What is there to conduct a referendum? What is there to conduct a referendum? Just a yes or no vote. Of course, we wouldn't have come this far hearing unknown government, hearing militants in Bakassi, border blockade, blockade of borders, and what have you. If they have conducted referendum, just a vote, peacefully, everybody line up and vote. What is the big deal there? Is there any big deal there? Then that is the only way. If our people say, "Oh, we are not with two people," I'll be the last person. I'll be the most stupid person to come out and talk about their friend. I'll be the most stupid person to come out and talk about their friend. If our people say, the judge of our people say, we're not with you, that they want to remain in Nigeria. Who am I to come and continue to raise dust? But they are afraid. They are afraid. That is why to conduct a referendum is a problem. And some of us are saying, oh, they conduct a referendum like this house will not participate. Who told you that? Who told you that? Don't judge based on the few person's mentality. Based on few person's mentality. I have mingled with our people, all the tribes, all our people in the south, and of course, I know what the problem of the people are. I know what their problems are. But their problems are. And of course, I also know people's problems. So, I know that it's a referendum, all our people vote massive for Biafra. If they doubt me, let them conduct a referendum. So the situation whereby they keep delaying or playing politics with our freedom, then I'm afraid that the problem we are in now will escalate. If it escalates further than this, the problem will be much more bigger than this. That is just the truth. Because you can't continue to keep us say we are one Nigeria, you keep us. You are forcing us. And of course, keeping us together is to create more trouble. Create more trouble. Understand? Just like Buhari said in 2015 election, was it 2015? Yeah, that if he loses, cat and bull will be soaked in blood. It is something that applies to him and to Nigerian states. To continue to keep us together, force us to be together. Then it's just like you are also bringing in the cat and bulls. Of course, they will be soaked in blood. So, if you are let them be. We want us to be peaceful. Just give us that privilege to decide. Give our people that privilege to decide. Let them decide. But they ask us to stop, we will stop. So that is just it. Biafra is our only hope. It's our only hope. And we will fight to the end. It doesn't matter. We will fight to the end. I've been these how many years of my since 2012. I've been in this trouble till date. Till date. Despite arrest. Despite arrest and detention. I'm still in this trouble. So I don't think there's anything. I don't think there's anything anybody can do to stop me from speaking for my people, to stop me from fighting for my people, from fighting for my life. I don't think there's anything anybody can do. I don't think there's anything anybody can do. Since 2012, I've been in this wrong till today. Till today. So there's nothing anybody can do. You can't stop us. You can't stop us. That is not the truth. You can't stop us. Nobody can stop us. And no amount of the enforcement of troops will stop us. No amount. We know that they have laid siege to our territory. They have surrounded our territory, sent their terrorist soldiers to kill our people just to scare us away. But they can't scare us away. They cannot scare us away. I won't say what we are going, what we are planning for them. What we are planning for them. I will not. What we are planning for them. This one they are seeing now is just a how do I put it? It's just a more case. One case. If they continue, we'll soon come out with our plans, they will see. They will see something different. Of course, this one is not by mouth. It's not by mouth. And also to the Cameroonian authority that are sending troops to invade our waterways, to threaten our people. To threaten our people. We'll come out for you people fully. Keep on fooling yourselves. The Gandams, they should keep on fooling themselves. While we are getting ready. But now let them continue to strike and continue to commit the atrocities. Of course, that will not stop us. It's not going to stop us. And when we come, our own is one is one. One is one. Understand? And you know that our boys are not sleeping. Our men are not sleeping. You know that our men are in control. Our men are in control. In that peninsula, in the Gulf of Guinea, our men are in control. I will soon show them much more. They will understand that we truly we are in control. So the rubbish they are doing, the exercise they are carrying out there is a major joke. It's a major joke. We are allowing them, let them to take their time to do whatever nonsense they are doing now. Until when we come out, they will see our colors. We are not afraid of anything. We are not afraid. Is he not gone? Not only one person get gone. Don't let them get gone. You can't come and attack us. We'll watch you. We'll watch you. So what is what they are doing is nonsense. Nonsense. The same thing applies to the Nigerian securities there. At the can. Nigerians, especially those at the can area. It's only God that will punish them. Only God that will punish them. Those ones at the can. It's only God that will punish them. If you continue messing up, continue to hunt our officers, continue to hunt our members, or you will fail. You will all fail. It's a promise. It's a promise. Well, I think that is all I have to say. I made a reason yes of coming live yes to clear the air. We have been following up our broadcasts on Critics News, and there's some comments on our page that we shouldn't be coming on live. I shouldn't be coming live to attend to our people because no. That is out of it. I have to speak to our people anytime, any day that I feel it is necessary. I have to speak to our people, make them understand some certain things. Understand? Somebody can come tomorrow and blackmail me, accuse me. You expect me to shut my mouth? I shouldn't come out to clear myself. I shouldn't come out to defend myself. Of course, I have to. You can't shut my mouth. I'm a human being. You understand? I'm a human being. And I also have to come and give our people encouragement. Let them know that we are not sleeping. Let them know that there is something on ground, that we are still very much active. Understand? We have not gone to sleep. So it is not a crime. Nobody should say that, why am I'm being stubborn, I'm coming out there, but they keep advising me not to come to talk, not to come and take. But I have to come, I have to talk. So that is just the truth. Thank you very much listening. I only advise us to remain steadfast, to advise us to remain focused. We must not relent in this struggle. We must not relent in this struggle. The government of Nigeria do not give a damn about the well-being of our people. Look at the people of Bakassi Peninsula. How they have been abandoned, neglected, ignored. Those that couldn't cope, being controlled by Cameroon, moved to the new Bakassi area, Ikan area, and they became refugees there. In Ikan, they put Ikan and Akpabio. You say the government of the day is care for you, and you say you love Nigeria. When you hear Biafra, you say these people they want to come and take the other Igbo people want to come and they want to come and do that. Igbo people which wickedness is bigger than what Nigerian government is doing now to the Bakassi people? Which wickedness is more than that? Tomorrow you come and blame an Igbo man, or tomorrow you come and blame the Biafra agitators. I don't know when we are going to have sense. Are we going to have sense? They are busy sharing our resources with Cameroon and the peninsula there, sharing our resources, making money, and intimidating us with our money, with our resources. Same thing too in what they are doing in Niger Delta. Same thing. So, just for us to sit up. We have to sit up. We have to sit up. Of course, um, just like I have stated, we are going to enforce the banning of vessels, and of course, as it stands now, we have what it takes. We have what it takes. Before I said that we don't have what it, but now any foreign vessel, if you hear me, from British, from France, from whatever, that pass through our routes, will be intercepted. Will be intercepted. We don't pin our flag in front of the vessel. And moreover, if you are intercepted, you don't need to be afraid. Unless you are coming to supply weapons to Nigeria or to take our oil in exchange of weapons or whatever, to be intercepted. And we are going to enforce that. We are going to enforce that because we have to make sure that economic activity will frustrate them at sea, frustrate economic activities at sea. That is just the truth. So, uh, if you have here, you better listen. Otherwise, you are doing yourself. I remain sincerely yours, Prince Richard, leader of the DNL family, and the maker of
So, my quality people, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like this video, share, and subscribe if you haven't. Subscription is free. Please smash on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, from here, I said bye.